Everything I'm about to show you in this video is how you can design an online banking website using WordPress. I'm going to use WordPress to design this website from start to finish. You don't need any programming knowledge and you don't need to write any single line of code for you to be able to achieve this, right? So you're going to use WordPress. For all the guys who love WordPress, this is going to be something that you will love because you're going to design this online banking platform using WordPress from start to finish with very amazing features like transfer options, loan application options, credit card options, crypto options, payment options, and many other options, right? So normally, for you to start designing this kind of website, the first thing you need to do is to get a very good hosting and domain name, right? And from this screen, you can see I've already gotten my hosting and domain name already. I'm not going to go into how you can buy hosting and domain name because you can actually buy hosting and domain name from any provider, from Namecheap, from Whois, from Bluehost, from Hostinga, and all of that. They're going to set up your domain name and hosting for you. And when they do that, when you log in, you are going to be taken to what you're seeing on this screen. So the first thing we're going to do is to look for a software on the cPanel called Softaculous and install WordPress with it. So I'm just going to click on Softaculous. Okay, when I click on Softaculous, it's going to bring me here. So you see WordPress. Softaculous is an application that is easy to install other application, right? So I will just click on install. And very easy, and it's going to ask me all of this question, my blog, username, password, and all of that. So no need for me to do anything. I'll just click on install. So in less than 1 minute, Softaculous is going to do its job and install WordPress for us. So I'm just going to click on this, and it is going to take me to the admin dashboard right away. Right, it's going to take me to the admin dashboard right away. So, so I just click on exit this launch. So, it's going to take me to admin dashboard right away. So, I'll dismiss this in case you're saying dismiss. Just dismiss everything. You don't need all of this. Alright, so this is my admin dashboard, right? So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to install a plugin called WP Migrate, right? We're going to install a plugin called WP Migrate. So I'm going to install plugins. So I'll check for WP Migrate. Sorry, click on Add New and type WP Migrate. So the plugin is going to come out. Let me show you the plugin. This is the plugin. So you just click on this and you install WP Migrate. Then you activate it. Awesome. So that has been installed. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to install an extension for this WP Migrate. There is a plugin, an extension for this WP Migrate size and advanced extension. I'm going to add new. So I'm going to upload. So I'm going to give you access to this software. Don't worry, any software I use on this training, I'm going to give you access to it, right? I'm going to give you access to it. So I'm going to install the extension. So let me come here, WP Migrate extension. Okay, this is the extension here, right? This is the extension here. So I'm going to install it. So I'm going to give you access to this extension too. So I'm going to activate it. Awesome, that has been installed, right? So the next thing we are going to do right here is to go to back to our cPanel. So click here, go to cPanel. Then you go to File Manager, right? Go to File Manager. So open your File Manager. So double click on polygon_html. It's going to open. So this is all our WordPress file that we installed. So go to WP Content and go to this I1 WPM backup. So you click here and then open it. Then when you open it, then you click on upload. Then you upload this particular file. You upload this particular file. So I'm going to give you access to all of these files. So this is the file here. I'll give you access to this file that I've just used, right? I'm going to give you access to it. So click on it, then you upload that file, right? So that file is about over 776 megabytes. So you make sure you have a very fast internet connection and upload that file, and make sure that the upload is successful without any kind of interruption. And actually, when you're uploading this file, it might take you some time to upload. So you just have to sit back, relax, don't trouble your computer too much. Make sure that the file is successfully uploaded on your C panel, right? Make sure it's successfully uploaded on your C panel. So I'm just going to take a chip while this install. Awesome. So when you upload, you're going to see it like this. So make sure it turns to green before you exit. So I'm just going to click go back, and awesome. So my file, yes, I'm just going to reload this. So when that is done, just go back to your WordPress dashboard, right? So go back to your WordPress dashboard, then you go to all-in-one migrate, then you go to backups, so you click on backups. So if you click on backup, you're going to see the file that you just uploaded right here. So the file that you uploaded right here, you're going to see it on backup. Please take note. Then just click on this button, then you click on restore. So restoration is going to take another 5 minutes. So all you need to do is just make sure you sit back and make sure it's restored. So the backup is from this paper. Just click on proceed. So it's going to take up to 5 minutes or 3 minutes. So just make sure you have a faster internet connections and you be patient with it and make sure that the process is not interrupted, right? So we're just going to wait and see the process complete. We have 27%. 54%. So let me see if that's going to be so fast. My internet is kind of good this evening, so restoring 82%. So we're going. So you can see how the process very simple, straightforward, and fast. So good. Your site has been imported successfully. So all you need to do, just click on Save Palm Link Structure. Please don't click on and don't click on or the finish. Save Palm Link Structure. So you click on Update WordPress. Then you click on Continue. Awesome. You see that when you click on Continue, you ask you to log in. Of course, you don't know the username and the password. So all you need to do is come back to here and go back to your subtaculars. Then you go back to overview for WordPress. Then you're going to see the WordPress that you installed. Just click on this login as admin. You're going to log in as admin because you don't know the password of your new WordPress website. So you just need to do this to be able to come like this. So when you land here like this, it has already been installed. So the first thing you need to do is to come to settings, look for settings, then look for palm links. Look for palm links. Awesome. So what is a palm link? All you need to do is what you just update save changes, right? Save changes one time, come again, save changes 2 times. Awesome. So let us see what we have done so far. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to open this in another browser and I'm going to paste it here. So let's see what we have done. So let's go back there. So let's open this in another browser. Awesome. Can you see that? So open that in another browser and you see exactly what we have done. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? You already logged your gas and admin. Can you see that? So you can test all of the menus. You see that all of the menus are working perfectly well. Within 30 minutes, you've already finished designing this online bank, right? So within a few minutes, you've already imported it. So the next thing for you to do is to start exploring how you can start configuring it from the admin end, right? How you can start configuring this from the admin end. So if you are good with WordPress, this shouldn't be a very difficult task for you. All you need to do is just to make sure that you access all of the menu here, and then from there you know what to do. But before we begin to access this admin, I would like to show you something. So let me go back to my file manager, and I'll go to WP content. Then I'll go to plugins. Yes, so these are all the plugins controlling the site. So I'll just look for a plugin called let me show you the plugin. Hide admin bar from no hide plugins from admin. You see that this plugin is going to hide the plugins from admin, and so that you will not be able to see. So all you need to do is just rename it. So just rename it. You can give it any name, so I'll be able to see the plugin from admin end. So I'll rename that. So I'm just going to load this again. So then I'm going to come to plugins. I'll click on install plugins, and I'll be able to see all of the plugins that I've installed on this side. If you don't do that, you will not be able to see all of the plugins that was installed on this side, right? So that is a very, very important step for you to take, right? Very important step for you to take. So as you can see, these are all of the plugins, right? So if you don't do that, you will not be able to access all of these plugins. So it's a very important thing for you to do, right? So another thing that we need to do is to go to the users, and click on all users. So you see, if you'll be able to see the super admin from here. Okay, is the administrator. Yes, is the administrator here. Yes, this is one of the administrators. So let's check the database if we are going to see all of the administrators. So I'll come here. Let's see again if there's any like hide super admin. Okay, let's go to hide. Can you see this one? Hide super admin. You see that you see admin, but you will not see the super admin. So you also rename this so that super admin will not be hidden, right? So let me just rename it again. So click on that, then reload. So let's refresh here. You'll see one admin that was not showing before is going to show now. So you see that this admin was not showing before. Look at it. This is the super admin, right? This is the super admin that was not showing before. So this super admin is going to show right here. So all of these accounts in the site, you can actually delete them. For instance, this account, you can delete this account from the website. Confirm deletion. You can delete that particular account. So this one is an account on the website. You can go ahead and delete that particular account from the website. Right? These two. You can delete that. Awesome. So let's go back to the dashboard. So you can, from here, let's go back to the user again. Let's go back to that user. There's that user again. From user here, you can actually change your admin password. So if I click on this right here, and I'm just going to open my admin details. So I'm going to use this admin email as my admin password. So this is my admin picture. You can decide to remove the admin picture too. So I've set new admin password. So this is my new admin password. I'm going to update it. Awesome. Awesome. So another configuration you can do from here is, let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard. You can see welcome to you see that welcome to welcome to Mega Microfinance Bank. So that may not be the name of your bank. So maybe the name of my bank is Online Web Portal, right? Online Web Portal. So you come here, go to settings. So let's go to settings, then you go to general. So from here, this is the name of your own bank that you are going to change this to Online Web Portal. Right? So let's just copy this because we'll need this again. So you just come here and you save the changes. Awesome. So let's go back to here. So now what we want to do is that we want to change all of this information, right? There is a welcome to FBT, welcome to microfinance. So these are not your bank name. So we want to change them. So let me just copy this one. So copy that, then you come to, there is a plugin called Find and Replace, right? So let's check for that particular plugin. Find and Replace. So go to tool, you see, okay, better search and replace. So click on better search and replace, right? Better search and replace. So we are searching for this and we want to replace with this Online Web Portal, right? So you select all, click on one, then select all, then run dry, right? So you just click on run and replace. So click on run and replace. So let's see what's going to happen. Just make sure you're using a faster Ethernet connection so that you'll be able to get this running right. Yes, so run and replace have. Let me just copy this because maybe I want to check it. So let's come back to dashboard. Okay, so this one did not replace. So let's go back there again. And let's go to tools, better search. So let's do that again. So run and replace. Select all. So let's click on this case sensitive and this. So let's run and replace again and see. So let's see if it's going to skip that name for us because I want the name to skip, so our name will be showing there. Awesome. So let's go back here to dashboard and see. Well, that still did not change. Why? So okay, let's see this. Let's see for this. Anyway, see this. Let's go back here. Tools, better search and replace. Search for okay, let's just search for this and replace with this. So we're going to select all again. we're going to run. So I would have clicked case sensitive, but let's see and see what that's going to give us, right? Awesome. So dry run 79 table message, 40 shares your fund, 0 changes were made. So said 0 changes were made. So let's see, go back there. We have not made any changes, that's what we're trying to tell me. These have not changed too. So let's try it one more time. Let's try this one more time. Let's select all. So let's select all of these. So let's try it one more time and see. If that does not work, I'm going to use another session, another plugin that will be able to do that for me perfectly well. Okay, let's see the results. 0 changes made true. 0 changes made true. So it means that did not work. So okay, now let's go to plugins and let's add new plugin and see. So now let's do something like find and replace. Let's see if we're going to see a better plugin for that. Better find and replace. 50,000 installation. This one is 90,000 installation. Real-time find and replace. Set up find and replace rules that are expected after a page generated by WordPress before it's sent to user. Enable media search and replace. Search and replace. Then just 4,000. This one is 600,000. 600,000. Enable replace attach image file. Enable media replace. I think that's just media. This one is 10,000. So let's look at this real-time find and replace. Set up find replace rules. So let's see this one. Let's install this. So I'm going to activate that. So real-time find and replace. So let's go to settings, real-time find and replace. Something like that here. Okay, so let's go to tools, real-time find and replace. So let's use this and see. So let's see this. Ignore case. So find, what are we finding? Let's see what we are finding. We are finding this. And we are replacing with online web portal. Right? We get admin. I don't know what that means. Well, let's update the settings. So options updated. anything again now. So let's update these settings. I'm not sure that worked for me. That didn't work for me. Okay, let me just keep that for now. We'll just keep that for now. So let us see if we can actually you can actually edit each of these pages, right? Can actually edit each of the pages. When you go to pages, all pages, so you go to all pages and you click on the page that you want to edit. So you can see the page information. You can edit with Elementor. So when you click on edit with Elementor, you're going to see the information, right? So let's say I want to edit this. So I cannot say can you see that? So just update. You can edit all of that, right? With Elementor. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. Okay. So what else can we do again? For your logo, you can come here and go to appearance, go to customize, go to customize. So if you go to site identity, so you can see your logo here, right here, right? So you can just click to upload another logo and you can change your logo, right? You can change your logo, login press. So this is the logo showing on the login form. So you can also change it right here. And the background, this is the background for the login page. You can change the color. This is your login form. You can edit it. Right? So this is your welcome messages. So you can edit all of this, right? You can work on all of that as you wish. So let's go back. Then we'll go to manage accounts. So manage account will show all of the accounts existing in your website, right? And you can select the user, let's see John Route, and credit his account. So this is his account, so you can credit his account and fund the account. Awesome. So you have funded that particular account, right? You can even edit its transaction date. You can view transactions and edit the transaction dates, right, for that particular user, right? So you can also go to a user. Let me show you something. You can go to a user. Go to user. So you can go to user or users. So this is a particular user. You can click on this particular user, and then you can come here. This is the user's information, right? You can come here, service account. You can fund the person's account from here. 2000. Sales account balance, his account balance, sales account number. So you give him an account number from here. Get it now. So this is account balance to fund the account. This is the account number for checking. Fixed deposit account balance, you can also fund. there was account number you can write. So you can choose the currency of the website. Then you can decide for the person to be able to transfer money using IMF code. It only supports that IMF code. So you can enable IMF validation, or you can disable it if you don't want IMF code. Right? You can even say you want the person to be able to log in using email OTP, or you disable it. I always like to disable all of this. So, or you can still enable the IMF code, so you can update all of these settings. So that's how you can fund a particular user's account, right? So that's how you can fund a particular user's account, and the users can then make transactions and make transfer.